Hi everyone, I'm Sonam from Technology and today I am super duper excited. I finally got this DJI Osmo Mobile 2. I've never owned a DJI product earlier and this is one of the cheapest product in their lineup. And DJI, they make a top-notch product for the cinematic shots. Like they have drones, they have camera gimbals, now they have mobile gimbals. So I'm hoping to get a really smooth, cool cinematic shot with this, and I'm pretty excited. So let's quickly unbox this. Time for unboxing. So let's quickly peel this plastic. So the box contains some instruction guide. And finally, DJI Osmo Mobile 2. The packaging is really nice. It's a hard styrofoam. Let's open this. So the box contained a micro USB for charging the gimbal and the gimbal itself. I wish they have provided a carrying case like some other company does it, like SmoothQ. It comes with a carrying case. This is more like a traveling case. It's not for carrying. So, and finally the gimbal itself. The gimbal is made up of really hard plastic. It's not a metal. And we have this joystick for pan and tilt, and we have this mode for different powering this up, and this is the shutter button. On the side we have zoom in and zoom out, and at the back we have a micro USB out for charging your phone. This works as a power bank also, so if you run out of juice, so you can just plug it in and charge your phone. And yeah, and at the bottom we have option to put on a tripod. You can mount it on the tripod, so that's really nice. They have to. So I think it takes around 2 hours to charge, so I'll be back after 2 hours. I'll just charge this up and I'll get back to you. So the setup is really easy. Just go to Play Store or App Store and go to DJI Go and install for DJI Go for the product. Just install, accept and proceed. So this is around 147 MB file, so I think it's going to take time. Now it's installing. So once the app is installed, just open, agree all the terms and conditions, skip, and you need to sign up or log in. So I already signed up with them, so I need to log in. So just set it up. That's it, you're ready to go. Save, and then you can connect to your DJI. Just power on the DJI and connect to your device. Just connect. It's looking for, here comes the Osmo. Connect. You're ready to go now. This gimbal can hold up to Note 8 size phone. Balancing the phone on the gimbal It took me some time. I struggled a little bit, but after some adjustment with the knobs, I was able to balance it. Once it's balanced, just power it on and start shooting. Go. Yeah, I'm using the joystick, so it's turning left and right. I can feel the motor also. Yeah, and I can go up and down. And if I press this twice, it will recenter my mobile. And if I move down, the camera will also move along with it. And if I press it once, it will lock my phone in the same place where and you can get a nice cinematic shot, low angle cinematic shot. And if I press thrice, this will change to my front camera. Here you can see. And if I press this again thrice, it will go back to the back camera. And you can zoom in and zoom out. A really nice, smooth. Yeah. Normally, and if I start running, so with this you can either shoot video or photo. Both options are there. There's a slider is there on other side, so you can switch between video and photo mode. And if I try some photo modes, options are there. There's a long exposure, and there's a single, there's a panorama. And let's try one panorama shot. So I'll just click the shutter button. So now what it's doing, it's clicking a 9 picture at once, and it's going to compress all 9 files together and give a nice wide angle shot. So you save this and we got a really nice wide angle shot. This has a portrait mode also. People who likes to vlog or share Snapchat or Instagram story, this is the ideal thing to have it. And it has an active tracking modes, so it tracks your face wherever you move, like if I go left or right. And this is, I think it's a perfect for the vloggers. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll be doing in-depth review for the Dji Osmo Mobile 2. And yeah, so I'll leave you with some footage which I shot with the DJI. Until then, please like my channel, subscribe, take care.